नमस्ते सम्पूर्ण यहाँहरूलाई हामी स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौँ मिस मङ्गोल 2018 को ग्रान्ड फिनाले। हामी 10औं संस्करणमा आइपुगेका छौँ। हामी 2009बाट प्रारम्भ भएको यात्रा मङ्गोल समुदाय, मङ्गोल आदिवासीको कला, संस्कृति, भाषा, वेशभूषाको संरक्षण, सम्वर्धन र प्रवर्धन गर्ने आधुनिक उपायको खोजीमा हामीले सौन्दर्य प्रतियोगितालाई एउटा उत्तम र प्रभावकारी माध्यम मान्यौँ र यसपटक हामीसँग 16 जना प्रतिस्पर्धीहरू हुनुहुन्छ। हामीले विगतका केही 7 आइटाबाट उहाँहरूलाई ग्रुमिङ गरिरहेका छौँ र आजको कार्यक्रमका हाम्रा आदरणीय निर्णायकजीहरूले उहाँहरू मध्येबाट एकजना विजेता हामीलाई छनौट गरेर अभिभारा सुम्पनको लागि तयार पारिदिनुहुनेछ, जसले आफ्नो काँधमा मङ्गोल समुदायको मौलिक कथावस्तु, मौलिक यथार्थता र भाषा वेशभूषालाई सगौरव रूपमा भावी पुस्तालाई हस्तान्तरण गर्नको लागि संरक्षण र प्रवर्धन गर्ने एउटा जिम्मेवारी बोक्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। पुनः स्वागत छ सम्पूर्ण यहाँलाई मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 मा। म रोजिन शाक्य
र म सुषमा राई। मेरो को-होस्ट रोजिनले भन्नुभएको जस्तै 2009बाट हाम्रो यात्रा सुरु भएको थियो। 2018 यानि कि 2018 सम्म हामी आइपुगेका छौँ र आज मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 हामी स्टार्ट गर्न गइरहँदाखेरि, हाम्रो यो फर्मल प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट भइरहँदाखेरि अर्को एउटा खुसीको कुरा के हो भन्दाखेरि यो हाम्रो 10th एनिभर्सरी पनि हो। त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि 2018 मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल अझ बढी स्पेशल भएको छ हामी सबैजनालाई। र आजको हाम्रो यस कार्यक्रम हामी स्टार्ट गर्छौँ इन्ट्रोडक्सन राउन्डबाट।
यहाँहरूको जोरदार तालीको आशा र अपेक्षा गर्दै हामी म्युजिक अगाडि ल्याउन चाहन्छौँ। वी ब्रिङिङ मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 द हन्ट बिगिन्स। भनिन्छ सबै जित्नेहरूको इतिहास कोरिँदैन र इतिहास कोरिनेहरू विजेता कहलाउँछन् र त्यही इतिहास कोर्नका लागि हाम्रा जित हासिल गरिसकेका विजेता बन्न तम तयार रहेका प्रतिस्पर्धीहरू अब आफ्नो परिचय सहित अगाडि आउनु हुनेछ। एन्ड वी बिगिन विथ कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 1।
Friendly enough to introduce Rodi Ghar, artistic enough to perform musical dances like Ghantu and Sorochi, and brave enough to stop the world as a brave Gurkha soldiers. Gurungs from the Mongolian community are no doubt graceful yet fearless indigenous people with a culturally rich lifestyle. Chazallo, namaste. Born in a beautiful place of Gorkha, I am Preeti Gurung, contestant number 1. And it's a privilege and honor to be the part of Miss Mongol 2018, since this platform does not only represent the beauty peasant, but also helps in preserving and promoting our cultural values and its richness. Kasaje!
Sherpa is one of the major ethnic group native to the most mountainous region of Nepal. The word Sherpa or Sherwa is derived from Sherpa language. Shar is Wa people, which refers to geographical origin to the northeastern part of Nepal. For the first time in 1953, Tenzing Norgay Sherpa and Sir Itmo Helleri climbed the Mount Everest. Right after that, Sherpa became popular in the world. Namaste and Tashidele, my respected judges, my dear lovely audience who came here to support us, and my beautiful viewers who are watching our live stream only on Kasta Mandap television. I am Jangmu Sherpa, contestant number 2, representing the community where we known in the world as the Snow Lions of Mount Everest. I am from Songkhla Sabha, a very remote but a beautiful part of Star Nepal. I am happy and privileged to be the part of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018 because this is the best platform created for indigenous women like us who actually wants to conquer world, make the change in themselves, voice of opinion to impact in the society and to encourage each other and everyone else. Thank you, Tuchiche. Enjoy the show with us.
Today, I am here proudly representing Sherpa community, a small community but very well renowned through our bravery, honesty and hospitality, not only in Nepal but throughout the world. In our language, Sher means east, from where the sun rises, and Wa means to come. As our ancestors belong to eastern part of Nepal, we were named Sherpas, people from the east with beautiful cultural aspect, norms and values. Namaste, Tasidele. A very warm good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Punam Sherpa, contestant number 3 from the district where world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is located, Solukhumbu. Being a part of Miss Mongol 2018, I believe this pageant is a great platform to express our beliefs, to build self-confidence, to express our talents and abilities, and yes, to leave a positive mark in the society as well as nation. Thank you, Tutese.
सर्वप्रथम म आफ्नो भाषा र संस्कारलाई आदर र माया गर्दछु। त्यसैगरी हाम्रो देशमा धेरै जात धर्म भाषाको हुनुहुन्छ र आफ्नै संस्कार हुन्छ र हामी जति पनि नेपालमा बसोबास गरिराख्नु भएको छ र हामी सयौं फुलहरूबाट एउटै माला बनेको छौं र लास्तो फ्याफुल्ला नमस्कार महानुभावहरू। मेरो घर दोलखा पर्दछ, म अहिले काठमाडौँ बस्छु। म तामाङ समुदायबाट रुबिना लामा। मेरो प्रतियोगी अङ्क हो 5। थुचेसे धन्यवाद।
Culture is an art equivalent to set of beliefs. My community is about rich culture, tradition, norms and values. We perform a special kind of dance called Sakela, where we worship Mother Nature. Hello, Namaskar, Seva everyone. My name is Samiksha Rai, contestant number 7, all the way from Italy. And I'm very proud to be a part of Miss Mongol because it does not only provide opportunity for a young lady like us, but it also can help us to conserve and to promote our Mongolian community. Have a great time, all of you. Thank you.
राई नेपालको एक प्रमुख आदिवासी जनजाति मध्येको एक जाति हो। खम्बु मङ्गोलियन वर्णमा पर्दछ। हो, म त्यही समुदायबाट हुँ। हाम्रो महान चाड उधौली उभौलीमा चण्डी नाच नाचेर मनाइने गरिन्छ। सेवा सम्पूर्णमा मेरो नमस्कार। म प्रतियोगी अङ्क 8 झापाबाट हन्ना राई राई समुदायको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दैछु। मलाई नाच्न, गाउन र भविष्यमा चर्चित मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बन्नु मन छ। आज म यस मिस मङ्गोल 2018 मा सहभागी हुन पाउँदा अत्यन्तै खुसी छु। यहाँ मैले विभिन्न समुदायको जात जाति भाषा धर्म र कला संस्कृति बारे सिक्ने मौका पाएकी छु। साथै भोलिको दिनमा नारी सशक्तिकरणको लागि सक्दो सहयोग गर्ने अपेक्षा लिएकी छु। धन्यवाद। आलाङ्ने
विभिन्न कला संस्कृति र मौलिकताले भरिएको देश। आज यही संस्कृति र मौलिकता बोकेर उभिएकी म तामाङ समुदायको छोरी हुनुमा गर्व गर्दछु। तामाङहरूको मुख्य चाडको रूपमा लोछारलाई लिइन्छ। लोछारमा विभिन्न प्रकारका खानेकुरा सेलरोटी लगायत डम्फु मादल र सेलोको साथमा नाचगान गरेर हामी एकअर्कामा खुसी साटासाट गरिन्छ। लासो म सञ्जु तामाङ, प्रतियोगी अङ्क 9। सुन्दरनगर पर्यटकीय क्षेत्र नगरकोट तामाङ समुदायको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दै आज यस 2018 मिस मङ्गोलमा सहभागी भएर पूर्वदेखि पश्चिमसम्मको साथीहरूसँग आफ्नो जातीयताको बारेमा ज्ञानहरू हासिल गर्न पाउँदा मलाई खुसी लागिरहेको छ। मलाई नाच्न गाउन र नयाँ नयाँ ठाउँहरू घुम्न मनपर्छ। धन्यवाद। थुजुसे
Tamang are the one of the indigenous inhabitants in Nepal. They have their own distinct culture, language and religions. They are the followers of Buddhism. Tamsaling means Tam refers to the language spoken by the Tamang people, Sa refers to the land and Ling refers to the territory of fragment. Lasso, Fapula. This is being Nimage Mulama, contestant number 10 from Sindapalchok. Miss Mongol itself defined as one of the valuable platform for Mongol community. Today I am here to uplift my opinions, vision, personal philosophy and develop individual. Thank you. Tuchese.
Unity in diversity. It simply defines oneness in varieties, which focuses on the existence of unity, even after lots of differences in culture, tradition, custom, language, and religion. In such a way, today, with 16 contestants out here from different indigenous groups, uniting together, are representing Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. Namaste, Chorle. This is me, contestant number 11, Irosha Thapamagar, from the heart of Nepal, Kathmandu, celebrating the festival of Maghe Sankranti and performing traditional dance Kaura. I belong to Magar community. It is a proud moment to be the part of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. Here, hope you all have joyful and wonderful evening. Jilao.
Lasso Papula. Nepal is multi-ethnic, multicultural and multilingual country. Around 5.6% of total population are Tamang people and it is the fifth spoken language throughout the country. Tungna and Jampu are our major musical instrument, whereas we all know how popular Tamang Selo is. Being a part of Miss Mongol 2018 has given me a platform to know and explore Mongolian community and its beauty. Myself, Raksha Ting, contestant number 12, proudly representing Tamang community from Nuwakot. Thank you to Chese.
सयौं थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली, त्यही मालाको एक सुन्दर थुङ्गा हामी तामाङ आदिवासी जनजाति। पुर्खालाई कुलदेवता मानेर पूजा गर्ने हाम्रो मौलिक परम्परा। हाम्रो आकर्षक पहिरन, लुङ्गी, पटुकी, घालेक, जन्तर अनि बुलाकी, जीवन्त चाडपर्व, लोसार, तेमल जात्रा आदि, साथसाथै इतिहास रच्ने प्रतिभा पनि हौ हामी। विष्णुकुमारी वाइबा अर्थात् पारिजात, गायिका अरुणा लामा र हालसालै नेपाललाई लोड सेडिङ मुक्त बनाउने कुलमान घिसिङ। लासो फ्याफुल्ला, मेरो नाम सुषमा लामा, प्रतियोगी अङ्क 13, राजधानी नजिकैको सानो अनि सुन्दर गाउँ धादिङबाट। मिस मङ्गोलले मलाई मनैदेखि एक आदिवासी जनजाति तामाङकी चेली बनाएको छ। धन्यवाद तुजुसे।
Kirat, one of the earliest inhabitants of eastern part of Nepal. We Kirat means lion-hearted people or the people from lion nature. Worshipping the modern nature and believing in shamanism has been our culture. Shamanu and namaste to all. It's me Priyanka Rai all the way from Morang, Nepal, which lies in eastern part of Nepal. Again, worshipping in nature has been our culture while performing Sakila dance, which takes place in the month of Mangsir and Baisakh. That is Udoli and Udoli. Dhanyavad, thank you.
I belong to Rai community, and specialty being in my community is unity and honesty. Sewa, namaste, respected people. Myself, Asmita Rai from Dharan. I am contestant number 15. The hopest things to be a part of Miss Mongol, it is provide a platform for all the voice their opinion and make them effective to bring positive changes. Thank you, Alangne.
चार जात 36 वर्णको यो सुन्दर देश नेपालमा जीवित देवी अर्थात् कुमारी देवीको पूजा गर्ने, पूजाको दिन आफ्नो जिउलाई चोखो पार्न गरिने, पूजाको दिन आफ्नो जिउलाई चोखो पार्न जिउ पूजा गर्ने र देवालीको दिन आफ्नो कुलदेवीको पूजा गर्ने एउटा नेवार समुदायबाट एक आदिवासी जनजाति हजुरहरूको सामु आफ्नो परिचय दिन पाउँदा ज्यादै खुसी छु। नमस्ते जोजोलप्पा, म अस्मिता बज्रचार्य, प्रतियोगी अङ्क 16, ललितपुर जिल्लाबाट नेवार समुदायको प्रतिनिधित्व गर्दैछु। विभिन्न संस्कृति, भाषा, वेशभूषाले भरपूर मेरो देश नेपालमा म आफ्नो नेवार समुदायको संस्कृति, भाषाहरूलाई यस मञ्च मार्फत चिनाउन र अन्य समुदायको बारे जान्न र बुझ्न म यस मिस बङ्गोल 2018 मा भाग लिएको हुँ। धन्यवाद, शुभा।
We do not define culture, but instead culture defines us who we are. To be content than to conquer is what our culture has taught us. Kagera Nungmafunga is the high god of knowledge, which can be translated as the supreme body of knowledge. Sewaro, good evening and namaste. Myself, Susmita Limbu, contestant number 17, all the way from Therathum. Today I am here to explore myself from the different vision. Thank you, Nugen.
Our culture, tradition, and language are the foundation upon which we build up our identity. And I'm very proud to identify myself from Magar community. The origin of Magar, Baro Makrant, live in a land known as Sims, the tribal of people. Hello, namaste, and journey everyone. Myself, Sumi Thapa, all the way from Tribling and blooming city Butual, representing Miss Mongol Nepal 2018 as a contestant number 18. And as I'm a student of humanity, I aspire to be a successful public figure, media personality, and social worker. And I believe that this platform would be the greatest innovation of my life. Thank you, Jilao.
उहाँहरू मध्येबाट एकजनाको शिरमा गत वर्षका विजेता अनिता लामाले ताज र जिम्मेवारी हस्तान्तरण गर्नुहुनेछ। पहिलो अध्याय सम्पन्न भएको छ। दोस्रो अध्याय प्रारम्भ गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि आजको कार्यक्रमको हामी औपचारिक सत्रलाई अगाडि बढाउन चाहन्छौँ।
आजको यस कार्यक्रमको सभापति हुनुहुन्छ श्री रीता राई दाहालज्यू। उहाँ हुनुहुन्छ सल्लाहकार पनि हुनुहुन्छ एक्सन इन्टरटेनमेन्टको। त्यस्तै गरेर उहाँ फाउन्डर प्रिन्सिपल पनि हुनुहुन्छ क्याम्ब्रिज पब्लिक हाई स्कुलको भने प्याप्सन काठमाडौँको उहाँ सहसचिव हुनुहुन्छ। त्यस्तै गरेर यस कार्यक्रममा अतिथि को रूपमा आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म नेपाली सेनाका उपरथी हुनुहुन्छ होम कुमार लावतीज्यू, उहाँलाई अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु कृपया ताली बजाएर साथ दिनुहोला। यसै बीचमा म अतिथिकै आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनको लागि हामी माझ हुनुहुन्छ समाजसेवी भवानी नेमवाङ हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँलाई म आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्दछु। आशा नेमवाङ राई, उहाँलाई पनि अतिथिको आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म अनुरोध गर्दछु।
र अतिथिको आसन ग्रहण क्रममा गत वर्षका विजेता अनिता लामा मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2017, यसै गरेर खुसी मगर फर्स्ट रनर्स अप मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2017।
अब हामी जजेसको इन्ट्रोडक्सन तर्फ अगाडि बढ्छौँ। आजको यस महत्त्वपूर्ण भूमिकालाई निर्वाह गर्नको लागि एज अ जजेस मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 मा हामी माझ हुनुहुन्छ मिस्टर पूर्ण लामाज्यू। उहाँ एक्सन इन्टरटेनमेन्टको सल्लाहकारको रूपमा पनि रहँदै आउनु भएको छ। त्यस्तै गरेर क्रिकेट एसोसिएसन अफ नेपाल क्यानका उहाँ पूर्व टिम म्यानेजर र उहाँ हाई परफर्मर पनि हुनुहुन्छ। त्यस्तै गरेर उहाँ आइडियल हायर सेकेन्डरी स्कुलको डिरेक्टर पनि हुनुहुन्छ भने नेपाल भोलन्टियर प्रोग्रामको उहाँ चाहिँ नेपाल डिरेक्टर पनि हुनुहुन्छ।
अर्का निर्णायकको परिचय राख्नुपर्दा चलचित्र निर्माता तथा निर्देशक डजनभन्दा बढी चलचित्रहरूको उहाँले निर्देशन गरिसक्नु भएको छ। क्रान्ति, अमर प्रीति, क्यारङ्गाङ, मेरो प्यारो मैतीघर लगायतका चलचित्रहरू र चलचित्र निर्माता सङ्घ नेपालका सह अध्यक्ष पनि श्री उदय सुब्बाज्यू। And ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting Miss Mongol Nepal 2014, Dr. Anista Gurung.
त्यस्तै गरेर हामी माझ निर्णायककै रूपमा हुनुहुन्छ शान्तिराम राईज्यू। उहाँले अलमोस्ट 1000 भन्दा बढी गीतमा सङ्गीत दिइसक्नु भएको छ र 28 वटा त एकल एल्बम उहाँले श्रोता माझ ल्याइसक्नु भएको छ। त्यस्तै गरेर हालसालै उहाँ नेपाल सङ्गीतकार सङ्घको नवनिर्वाचित अध्यक्ष पनि हुनुहुन्छ।
Coming up to next person, well, in the beginning of the millennium year where he graduated in fashion designing and now he holds the position as the managing director for Pacific Event and Management and has the brand programs called the Supermodels Nepal, Cinderella Nepal and Miss Indigenous Heritage Nepal, and also holds the position of managing director right at International Institute of Fashion Technology. May we present Fupu Tenzing Sherpaji.
त्यस्तै गरेर आजको कार्यक्रममा जजेसको रूपमै हुनुहुन्छ निकै नै चर्चित गायिका हुनुहुन्छ। अलमोस्ट 300 भन्दा बढी गीतमा उहाँले आफ्नो स्वर दिइसक्नु भएको छ। मेनुका राई आजको हाम्रो यस कार्यक्रमको वान अफ द जजेसको रूपमा हुनुहुन्छ
र आजको कार्यक्रमका निर्णायकज्यूहरूले प्रदान गर्नुभएको अङ्कहरू जोडेर हामीलाई सहयोग प्रदान गर्ने हामीले काउन्टर जजेसको रूपमा अर्का व्यक्तिलाई उपस्थित गराएका छौं। Well, the man as a gold medalist in population study MA in 2063, deputy director for Nepal प्रशासनिक प्रशिक्षण प्रतिष्ठान र लामो समयदेखि एकाडेमिक सेक्टरमा उहाँ क्रियाशील रहँदै आउनुभएको छ र हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ श्री शिवहरि अधिकारीजी। विथ दिस वी कम्प्लिट द जजेस प्यानल। पूर्ण लामा, उदय सुब्बा, अनिष्टा गुरुङ, शान्तिराम राई, फुपू तेन्जिङ शेर्पा, मेनुका राई, शिवहरि अधिकारी, उहाँहरू सबैजनाको समूहबाट हामीले यस कार्यक्रमका विजेता प्राप्त गर्नेछौँ र अर्को प्रेजेन्टेसन्सका लागि मे बी गो अन सुषमा।
र अब भने एउटा म्युजिकल ब्रेक रहेको छ। अबको प्रस्तुति रहनेछ, उहाँलाई म स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु हाम्रो यस स्टेजमा टिका बमजनज्यू।
अलिकति ताली है प्लिज सबैले। ट्र्याक पढाइदिनुहोस्। ट्र्याक पढाइदिनु प्लिज। अम्मैले अम्मैले होई छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले, अम्मैले अम्मैले होई छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले, कल्लोकोठी गालैमा घरमाया चालैमा, कल्लोकोठी गालैमा घरमाया चालैमा, अम्मैले अम्मैले होई छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले। हो कि होइन? सबैजनाले है त? एकैमा चौरी गई, एकैमा गौरी गई, एकैमा चौरी गई, एकैमा गौरी गई, चोखो माया गएर हिँडेको मायालाई, चोखो माया गएर हिँडेको मायालाई, अम्मैले अम्मैले होई छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले। हो कि होइन जोर? खै त ताली पछाडिबाट। यतापट्टिको रिसाउनु भएको तपाईँहरू? खेतमा धान झुल्यो, घरि फुल फुल्यो, बेसी खेतमा धान झुल्यो, घरि फुल फुल्यो, तिम्रो त्यो माया तिम्रो यो पनि फुल्यो, तिम्रो त्यो माया तिम्रो यो पनि फुल्यो, अम्मैले अम्मैले होई छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले, अम्मैले अम्मैले होई छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले, कालोकोठी गालैमा घरमाया चालैमा, कालोकोठी गालैमा घरमाया चालैमा, अम्मैले अम्मैले छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले, अम्मैले अम्मैले होई मन छोडिराख्यो पैँचनले।
भन्न चाहन्छु टिकाजी, टिका बमजन र निकै नै रमाइलो माहौल यहाँ क्रिएट गरेर जानुभयो।
वेस्ट बङ्गाल 2009 देखिको यात्रामा हामीले जातीय सांस्कृतिक पहिरनहरूलाई एउटा प्रस्तुति मार्फत, एउटा सचेतना मार्फत राख्दै आएका छौँ र यो मञ्चलाई पनि त्यही रूपमा हामी सदुपयोग गर्न चाहन्छौँ। अहिले हामी कल्चर राउन्डलाई अगाडि ल्याउन चाहन्छौँ। मे वी प्रेजेन्ट द कन्टेस्टेन्ट्स all dressed in ethnic attires representing different ethnicities group related with Mongol community. like to move on with the dance performance. Ridhima Rai will be performing for us. Malai Khagra Racholi is the track. So we go with dance performance. Ridhima Rai.
ढुङ्ग्री फुला के फुले सुहाउँछ
रिदिमा राईले भर्खरै आफ्नो नृत्य प्रस्तुत गर्नुभयो गीतको बोल रहेको थियो मलाई कहाँ गराएर चोली
मिस मङ्गोलको हामी मध्यान्तरको स्थितिमा छौँ बिफोर वी प्रेजेन्ट द भेरी फर्स्ट कट we have a special performance a special act by the contestants र यो act लाई कोरियोग्राफ गर्नुभएको छ राजीव समरजीले and then we'll be taking out 9 beautiful ladies right for the semi final phase and then we'll be going over the question and answer session with the judges. So maybe open the curtain and maybe begin the music that will be right there for the contestants performance a special act before we get the eliminations.
चाहना मनमा उडाई ल्यायो कि आवारा मौसमले चाहना मनमा उडाई ल्यायो कि आवारा मौसमले यो मनको कुरा चढे आँखैमा बुझलन करैले
टिक्दैन कोही यहाँ उडायो हावाले यो मन उडायो हावाले
उडायो हावाले यो मन उडायो हावाले गुन्जने यो आवाजको भावना छ बेग्लै
you ladies making this thing more beautiful as choreographed by Rajiv ji. So the things are right there, all whites, blues, reds right there, and all been designed by IIFTians. Now the things are, it's all about semi-final phase. Well, judges have picked up their choices, and we have a provision of wildcard entry. The public choice award winner and talent round winner will be right there in the top 9 semi-final phase. So we are all promised to give it 8 contestants, but because of this provision we have 9 contestants, and by the end of the event we'll be revealing who won that public choice and who won the talent award. So that will be equally in the counted. All the best ladies, and you will be bringing up the top 9 right there in the event Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. The contestants are
पहिलो contestant जो सेमी फाइनलिस्टमा पुग्नु भएको छ उहाँ हुनुहुन्छ contestant number 2 जाङमु शेर्पा.
Next semi-finalist is contestant number 1, Kriti Gurung.
And the next semi-finalist is contestant number 5, Samiksha Rai.
Contestant number 3, Poonam Serpa.
Contestant number 18, Sumi Thapa.
Next semi-finalist is contestant number 8, Hana Rai.
And the next contestant for semi-finalist is contestant number 11, Erosa Thapamagar.
यो चरणमा सफल हुनुभएको छ पुग्नका लागि contestant number 12, Raksha Singh.
And finally, the next contestant is contestant number 16, Asmita Bajracharya.
Well, these are the semi-finalists for Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. And before you answer, let us know your tag numbers and contestant number very clearly so that judges get the things as score. So this is with start. Contestant number 2, Jangmu Sherpa. र प्रश्नको लागि may we start with Santiram Rai ji.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Okay, contestant number 2, Jangmu Sherpa.
Sir,
Okay. कस्तो लागिरहेछ?
I'm feeling excited at the same time nervous at this stage, sir. How you feeling?
Okay, I'm good. And म एउटा क्वेसन तपाईलाई सोध्न चाहन्छु. तपाई रेडी हुनुहुन्छ? मलाई विश्वास छ.
हजुर sir, I'm ready.
यति धेरै प्रतियोगीबाट विजेताका रूपमा तपाईलाई छान्नु पर्ने केही कारण छ? अर्थात् why should we choose you from the rest is the winner?
Thank you so much, sir, for your lovely question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am contestant number 2, Jangmu Sherpa. And it's my honor to answer your question, sir. Since we 16 contestants are competing for one title, and that is Miss Mongol. The reason that you have to choose me from the rest is because I am a determined girl, not who only make goals, but follow them. And the reason, if you give me this chance, then definitely my voice will be louder and stronger for the preservations of cultures, language and traditions. And whatever the responsibilities that comes on my shoulders will definitely fulfill them by recognizing my title. And next year, I have planned to climb the top of the Mount Everest, that is Mount Everest. And from the top of the world, I would like to spread the message. Let's preserve our culture, traditions and language to protect the true identity of our country, Nepal, because we indigenous people are the identity of our country, Nepal. Thank you so much.
Moving on to next contestant. This is Samiksha, just number 7, and you would be answering Uday Shubha.
नमस्ते सेवारो.
नमस्ते सेवा सर.
हजुर आराम हुनुहुन्छ?
एकदमै आरामै. तपाई?
म पनि आरामै छु. तपाईको विचारमा मान्छेको मन जित्न सबभन्दा राम्रो पक्ष के हुन्छ?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. I think the best way to win the heart of the people is by being genuine about your feeling. Be kind, because you can never go wrong with kindness. Be compassionate and always respect others for who they really are. And always be yourself, because if they don't love you for who you are, they never will. Thank you.
And now moving on to next contestant. This is Hana Rai, contestant number 8. You would be answering Anista Guru.
Hi. Hello, ma'am. First of all, congratulations to all of you. You all look so gorgeous there on the stage. And how are you guys feeling?
Thank you.
Great. See, crown is not somebody comes and offers you, right? You have to go earn it for yourself. My question to you is, where do you see yourself in 10 years from now?
प्रश्नको लागि धन्यवाद मेम। म आजको 10 वर्षपछि एउटा चर्चित मेकअप आर्टिस्ट भएको आफूले आफैलाई देख्न चाहन्छु, किनभने आजको युगमा धेरै नारीहरूलाई राम्रो भएको हेर्ने मन हुन्छ, आफू राम्रो देखिएको मन हुन्छ र मेरो विचार हो मैले उहाँहरूलाई राम्ररी उहाँलाई मेकअप गरिदिएर चाहिँ उहाँहरूको धेरै खुसी बनाउन चाहन्छु, किनभने म उहाँहरूलाई नारीहरूलाई खुसी देख्न चाहन्छु र आजको 10 वर्षपछि चाहिँ म चर्च मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नै हुन चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद।
And now getting on for Irusha, contestant number 11, and you would be answering Purna Lamasa.
Okay, first of all, congratulations for being for coming to the top 10, top 8. You have all done very wonderfully well, and you all look very gorgeous. Your dress are shining. You are smiling. You look very confident. So the question is, please listen very carefully. In the 3 weeks of the grooming, the training session that you have had so far up until now, what are the 3 major things that you think you have learned?
Thank you for the question, sir. It's an honor to answer your question. This 3 weeks of training has been so much experience for me, and I learned from this training session. I learned how to communicate within a mass, and it also helped a lot. Excuse me. It also helped me a lot to boost my confidence level. Thank you, sir.
Okay, this is Asmita. Can you be in the center? Contestant number 16, and you would be answering Melina ji.
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते म्याम।
ठिक हुनुहुन्छ नि?
यस म्याम।
कस्तो लागिराखेको छ अहिले तपाईँ टप 9 मा?
अलि रमाइलो पनि भइरहेछ, अलि डर पनि लागिरहेछ, किनभने मैले सोचेको चाहिँ थिएँ अब टप 9 मा आउँछु भनेर।
आफ्नै बारेमा तपाईलाई सबभन्दा मन पर्ने पक्ष के हो?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. The most quality I love about myself is my heart, because it beats for me, it feels for someone, it feels pity for the poor people, it feels love and affection for my parents, for my friends, and someone who needs. Thank you.
And now get on with number 12, Raksha. And Raksha, you'd be answering Tenzing ji.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm very good, sir. Thank you.
What is the thing that we won't know about you by looking at you?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. I am Raksha Singh, contestant number 12. Standing here in front of you, all the judges and audience, I'm pretty sure you all have started judging me based on my physical appearance. But to all the people that I know, I am a person, someone with kind, shy, and quiet nature. But deep underneath lies a person who is self-conscious yet confident. Someone who looks like next-door girl, but ready to take all the challenges and accept the risk. Shy but daring, kind but strong. And above all, my passion for traveling. How much I love traveling my country, to know the people, to understand their culture, and to learn about their lifestyle. I'm very passionate about my country, so I want to be a citizen who has deep roots for my nation. I want to act as a bridge in between many traditions across boundaries and division. So my dear audience and honorable judges, you almost know nothing about me through my looks and presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Raksha. We move on to this part. Contestant number 18, Sumi, and all the best. So you can have this privilege, pick up the people you want to be answered. So she said, Purna Lamasha.
Okay, my question is very simple. It's concerning something that we are all pretty much hooked up to. I'm trying to talk about the internet. So my question is, in these days of modern internet where people are engaged so seriously, you know, I see that even youngsters, they engage themselves maybe about 2 to 3 hours every day. So do you think this social networking has helped people to make friendship, or do you think it has contributed to you know, for those who are friends, that you don't become friends, that you become quite apart from each other?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. It's me, Sumi Thapa, contestant number 18, and my answer goes like this. Everything have both positive and negative side, but in my context, internet is very useful, and it has given a huge platform for youth like us to expose our talent. And what would be the most beautiful, one father and daughter talking together who are 7 seas far from each other. And I think that's why internet bring people together. Thank you.
Thank you, Sumi. And we are remaining with 2 more contestants. Contestant number 3, this is Poonam. Can you pick someone for your question? This is Uday Subasa.
धेरै सिम्पल क्वेसन छ। मिस मङ्गोल बन्न नभई नहुने क्षमता के होला?
Thank you so much for the question, sir. And my answer goes like this. Miss Mongol, the title comes with huge honor and lots of responsibilities. It's not just beauty pageant. The person should represent the whole Mongol community. And Miss Mongol is an ideal who not only represent in Mongol family, but whole in the nation. And the person should possess package of qualities. And among them, the most important qualities, I believe Miss Mongol should have is good leadership skills. Because leaders are the one who navigate through the problem and they find the way to solution. And good leadership skills come with good communication skills, good personality, talent, kindness, and of course becomes a person who really inspires others through their abilities and capabilities, which really help to unite the community. So yes, I believe the most important quality that Miss Mongol should possess is good leadership skills. Thank you.
We remain with number 1, Preeti. And Preeti, you get options. Either you go for lady judges, that is remain with you. Now you can pick up. Is it Anista or is it Menukaji?
I would go for Anista, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah, you
Yes,
look
ma'am.
gorgeous there.
Thank you,
Your
ma'am.
gown is so beautiful. Why should we choose you from the rest? How badly you want this crown and why?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. 3 weeks of training and 16 girls I spent. They had their own abilities and skills. I respect all of them, but the reason why I'm special or why the judges need to choose me is because I am a person that can be a good influencer. Because Miss Mongol is not just winning the title, it's about being the voice of Mongolian people and being influencer to the people out there. So I can be I can be the voice of the Mongolian people and my community, and I am the one. I always strive for being better than yesterday. So being better than yesterday. So I have the quality that in future I would do something for my community, give back to my community, and I am also a kind of person that tries to keep everything positive, and that's quite a challenge, but I try to keep myself positive as far as possible. So these are the things that makes me, a little different from them, and that's the reason you should choose me. Thank you.
So this we complete the Q&A in this semi-final phase. We'll be moving on to other part, and this is Miss Mongol Nepal 2018 organized by Action Entertainment Private Limited.
So अब हामी next step तर्फ अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ. Yes, I'm talking about the glimpses of talent round. हाम्रो talent round already भइसकेको छ र त्यो talent round को केही झलकहरू तपाईहरु समक्ष हामी प्रस्तुत गर्छौँ.
पश्चिमेली देखे मैले पूर्वेली नि देखे हे पश्चिमेली देखे मैले पूर्वेली नि देखे मनले खाको ज्यान पनि भाको यही ठाउँमा भेटे.
Should my brother magically wake up one day as my sister? If yes, I'm gonna write rules on how to be a woman for my brother. Should he ever wonder? I would teach him how to select the right key to hold between his knuckles as he walks through the dark.
To mention one more story. It is about a girl who was 19 years old and was being put on fire by her own husband because he did not get what he wanted in his dowry. And she was locked up in a room for 2 days without any medical attention. All these stories that I've mentioned is from the one that has been reported. But what about others? Cases which has gone unreported and unnoticed.
झुमका घिर्यो रे मेरो झुमका घिर्यो रे झुमका घिर्यो रे मेरो झुमका घिर्यो रे जवानीको झट्का परे झुमका घिर्यो रे झुमका घिर्यो रे मेरो झुमका घिर्यो रे झुमका घिर्यो रे मेरो झुमका घिर्यो रे.
कोही भने सडकमा ढुङ्गा गिटी पुर्दै कोही भने सडकमा ढुङ्गा गिटी पुर्दै कोही भने कोड लाएर पछिल्लोमा चढ्दै कोही भने कोड लाएर पछिल्लोमा चढ्दै. संविधान बनाउँछु भन्छन् छैन कसैले वास्ता संविधान बनाउँछु भन्छन् छैन कसैले वास्ता. नेताहरू चिन्ता छैनन् छन् आफ्नै व्यस्त नेताहरूले चिन्ता छैनन् छन् आफ्नै व्यस्त.
अमर माथि पटुकी माथि घैला घैलामा कोवाको पानी पानी खाने न्यु पारी धाउँछन् कति बैमानी. मै प्यारी हो कि रेशम मेरो जवानी मै प्यारी हो कि रेशम मेरो जवानी.
यो धरती यो आकाश रम्यधम तिमीलाई तर तिम्रो really mine really mine really mine aureलाई को really mine really mine.
घिन्ताङ मादल बसा नाचु नाचु लाग्छ किन होला आना यस्तै हाँसु हाँसु लाग्छ. पूर्णिमाको जुनले पनि जिस्क्याउँछ मलाई गाउँको तेल लगाउँछ बतासैले मलाई. म त गाउँकी गौरी रे हो म त गाउँकै राम्री रे.
These are the trees where you're really popping out there with you from my side. I'll take all my memories with you from my side.
मलाई आँखैको पारलीमा काजल लाउन मन पर्छ किनिदेऊ न साइलालाई. मलाई दुई चुल्ठी बाटेर फुल लाउन मन पर्छ टिपिदेऊ न साइलालाई.
Mother hold dear children hands for a while, but dear heart forever, but dear heart forever. A mother feeds her children
a mother feeds her children with her own blood, with her own
हमारे रक्त बल भा शक्ति हस्ता भयान की त्रिनेत्रा यौवनांगिता नमामि सिखिवाहिनी
मेरो जीवनको कुनै अस्तित्व छैन अब मैले न्याय पनि पाउँदैन मैले आवाज उठाएँ भने पनि मेरो आवाज दबेर जान्छ मलाई साथ दिने कोही पनि छैन
Actually, हाम्रो यो मङ्गोलियन पिपलहरूले चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम बुद्धिस्ट फलो गर्छ एन्ड इभन बौद्धिस्ट नेपाल चाहिँ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेजमा बिलङ गर्ने भएर 2015 अर्थक्वेकमा चाहिँ डिस्ट्रोय भएको थियो जुन
अब पालो भएको छ डिजाइनरलाई प्रमाणपत्र प्रदान गर्ने र यसका लागि हाम्रो यस कार्यक्रमका सभापति रिता राई दाहालज्यूलाई हामी अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 का प्रतियोगीका लागि बागबजार स्थित IIFT-ले पहिरन तयार गरेको हो र अत्यन्तै आकर्षक पहिरनका लागि सम्पूर्ण डिजाइनरहरूलाई विशेष धन्यवाद सहित प्रमाणपत्र ग्रहण गर्न स्टेजमा निम्त्याउन चाहन्छु।
र उहाँहरू हुनुहुन्छ रोजिना श्रेष्ठ, बिनु आले, सुमन लिम्बू, प्रमिला उप्रेती, उर्मिला श्रेष्ठ, उषा सुब्बा, अलिसा कोजु, रबिना श्रेष्ठ, सनम लामिछाने, रमिता महर्जन, सरिता श्रेष्ठ, सावित्रा गौतम, सृजना केसी, दिव्या चौधरी, निमा तामाङ, डिना महर्जन र निशा महर्जन श्रेष्ठ।
प्रमाणपत्रका लागि म यहाँ निम्त्याउन चाहन्छु IIFT का फ्याकल्टी मेम्बर एवं चीफ कोअर्डिनेटर हुनुहुन्छ सकुन मानन्धर, फ्याकल्टी मेम्बर कविता मास्के, फ्याकल्टी मेम्बर सारिका राई, एडमिन डाइरेक्टर ऊर्जा मानन्धर। बधाई एवं धन्यवाद सकुन मानन्धर, कविता मास्के, सारिका राई र ऊर्जा मानन्धर ज्यूलाई। यसपछि हाम्रो यो कार्यक्रमलाई यसरी सफल रूपमा प्रस्तुत गर्नको लागि साथ सहयोग
गर्ने संस्थाहरूलाई अब मायाको चिनो प्रदान गर्ने बेला भएको छ। हामीसँग स्टेजमा हुनुहुन्छ कार्यक्रमका सभापति रिता राई दाहालज्यू र उहाँलाई संयोजन गरिदिनका लागि मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 का इभेन्ट डाइरेक्टर अशोक प्यासी राईज्यूलाई अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छौँ।
म स्टेजमा निम्त्याउन चाहन्छु हाम्रो निर्णायकज्यू पूर्ण लामालाई।
मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल रिपोर्टिङ डाक्टर अनिष्ता गुरुङ, चलचित्र निर्माता तथा निर्देशक उदय सुब्बा,
त्यसै गरेर मायाको चिनो ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनको लागि हाम्रो अर्का निर्णायकज्यू हुनुहुन्छ शान्तिराम राईज्यू।
मायाको चिनो ग्रहण गर्नका लागि अर्का निर्णायक श्री फुबु तेन्जिङ शेर्पाज्यूलाई स्टेजमा निम्त्याउन चाहन्छौँ।
त्यसै गरेर मायाको चिनो ग्रहण गरिदिनु हुनको लागि हाम्रो अर्का निर्णायकज्यू हुनुहुन्छ गायिका मेनुका राई, उहाँलाई म स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु।
र मायाको चिनो ग्रहण गर्नका लागि यस कार्यक्रमका काउन्टिङ जज श्री शिवहरि अधिकारीजीलाई स्टेजमा निम्त्याउन चाहन्छौँ। हामी कार्यक्रमको लगभग अन्तिम निर्णायक क्षणमा छौँ। निर्णायक यस क्षणमा बिकज टप 5 फाइनलिस्ट र त्योभन्दा अगाडि ग्रुमिङ सेसनको केही श्रव्य दृश्य यहाँ समक्ष राख्न चाहन्छौँ। सो मे वी ड्र्याग योर अटेन्सन टु द प्रोजेक्टर्स एन्ड दिस इज राइट देयर फर द ग्रुमिङ सेसन वाट वी मेड द स्टोरी राइट फ्रम द मेकिङ अफ मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018।
And what we are going to give to our second generation. The second generation is updated भएर आउँछ and उनीहरूसँग पुरानो नलेज पनि छ भने they become more rich and more confident because अहिले सँगसँगै हामीले ओरिजिनालिटी एन्ड अपडेटेड सँगै लान सक्यो भने मात्रै हामी डिफ्रेन्स।
कुनै बेला तिमीहरूको केही गल्ती आयो भने होइन केही पनि हुनसक्छ त्यसमा त्यो गल्तीलाई तिमीले जब व्याख्या गर्छौ नि मेरो गल्ती भयो आन्सर दिनु खोज्यो होइन, तिमीले थाहा बोल्ला मैले अर्को भने आँखा छिम्ल्यौ कि त जिब्रो निकाल्यो, झन् गल्तीको माथि अर्को गल्ती छ।
धन्यवाद यो अर्थमा दिन चाहेको छु कि यी मिस मङ्गोलहरूलाई यिनीहरू अहिले फेसबुकमै झुन्डिरहेका हुन सक्थे, म्युजिकल्लीमा फन्टुस गानामा अपलोड गरिरहेका हुन सक्थे, अथवा यिनीहरू सिनेमामा अल्झिरहेका हुन सक्थे, तर उनीहरूलाई एउटा स्व प्रेरणा, सेल्फ मोटिभेसन, आफ्नो करियर निर्माण र आफूभित्र भएको भित्री सुन्दरता र बाहिरी सुन्दरतालाई खुला रूपमा प्रस्तुत गर्नका लागि यो मञ्चमा जाने प्रेरणा दिनुभयो। कम्तीमा फेसबुक र इन्टरनेटमा मात्रै झुन्ड्याउनु भएन।
पहिला यति गाह्रो थियो नि मान्छेलाई फोटोग्राफ हुनु, कसैलाई केही पनि थाहा छैन त्यो विषयमा। फोटोग्राफ हुनु, फोटो खिच्ने भने कसले भन्दाखेरि साइन्टिस्टले खिच्ने फोटो, साइन्टिस्टलाई पनि थाहा हुन्छ। फोटोग्राफर कोही म फोटोग्राफर हुनु भने चाहिँ फोटोग्राफर मान्छे त्यस्तो के कहिले कुरा भन्दाखेरि फर्स्ट वर्ल्डको पहिलो फोटो 1827 मा जब वर्ल्डको पहिलो फोटोको स्ट्याम्पिङ भयो, पहिलो फोटोहरू छाप लगायो, त्यो बेलामा फोटोग्राफी गर्ने मान्छे हाम्रो ठुलो साइन्टिस्ट।
प्रब्लम्सहरु छ।
स्किन त्यस्तो ड्राई पनि छैन, ऑयली पनि छैन,
नर्मल
कपाल हेयर पनि हेल्दी छ है, के गर्नु भएको छ? केमिकलहरु के युज गर्नु भएको छ? छैन। नेचुरल हेरेर हो यो हजुरको
So people having confusions will not be able to decide very properly. And any chances of like, so you might encounter so many situations where you cannot tell long periods. Only सोचेर आउँछ भन्ने
पहिला हाम्रो बेलामा 5 के अरे त्यस्तै नेटको जस्तै आयो भने बाहिर बस्नु पर्ने अनि 1 आवर पछि मात्रै एन्ट्री गर्ने जस्तो थियो।
एक्सन एन्टरटेनमेन्ट प्राइभेट लिमिटेडको आयोजनामा मिस मङ्गल 2018को अब हामी पछिल्लो चरणमा प्रवेश गरेका छौँ, जहाँ हामीले टप 5 फाइनलिस्टहरूलाई यहाँ समक्ष राख्नेछौँ। लेडिज एन्ड जेन्टलमेन, प्रेजेन्टिङ द फाइनलिस्ट अफ मिस मङ्गल नेपाल 2018 and the contestants are
Contestant number 1, Preeti Guru.
the finalist is contestant number 2, Jangmo Sherpa.
The next finalist of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018 is contestant number 16, Asmita Bhattacharya.
Joining the final session of the event, here we have contestant number 12, Raksha Singh.
Yes, the last but not the least, we have the finalist for Miss Mongol Nepal 2018 and the contestant number is 3, Poonam Serpa.
Ladies, please put on your name and contestant number. You have 3 minutes of time to score down your answer. Do not start unless we allow you to start. That was the start cue. Start भनेपछि मात्र लेख्न प्रारम्भ गर्नु होला. And your final questions is right ready, and be very attentive and be very sure when you're penning your words, because this is the deciding, and from that we will be knowing who is going to take away the award and crown of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. Final question to be asked by Purna Lama sir.
Okay, thank you for this honor of letting me ask the final question. Now, as at the same time when I see you, I'm definitely nervous myself because the answer to this question will lead to the final 3 winners of today's contest. So once again, I wish you very, very good luck. I will ask the questions in both Nepali and English. And because this is your final question, I urge you, I ask you, I insist that should you be confused, if you do not understand, I will repeat again. Okay? So my question is, perhaps you may have some interest in this topic or you may not have some interest. And this is concerning a little bit about politics, because I believe politics is what drives the nation ahead. So my question goes to you. If you are asked to speak in front of the parliament, where the prime ministers, the council of ministers, or all the parliamentarians will be there in the house, if you are asked to talk for 3 minutes on very, very crucial issues concerning Nepal, its development, and if you are given 3 minutes of time to present your speech, your opinions, your feelings, your views on Nepal, about Nepal, what would that be? Is the question clear?
Okay, ladies, all there. 3 minutes, 180 seconds. Please start. Five, 4, 3, 2, and thank you so much. We'll start with that end. So Preeti to start up. So before you read out your answer, please let us know your name and contestant number.
I'm contestant number 1, Preeti Gurung. And thank you for your question, sir. My answer goes like this. In the fiscal year 2017 and 2018, there has been reported 1,480 rape cases. So I would first address the parliament about the safe society for my sister and my mother. And the second thing that I would do is, youth being the half of the population should not only engage on social media, but they should work for the nation. Indeed, they can be a good leader. A good leader with a good vision can only develop our nation. So I would suggest the youth to engage on it. The other thing would be Nepal being rich in natural resources. I would address my parliament to utilize the natural resources as far as possible. And lastly, Nepal should be forward in technology. So being an IT student, I would encourage my nation to utilize technology to make more confident and beautiful nation. Thank you.
Asmita Bajajare, contestant number 16. If I get to talk in front of leaders of our country for 3 minutes, I will mention about the corruption, which is like a disease to our country. Corruption is the main problem. If we can make corruption disappear through the black money we get, we can improve our health and education facilities of our country.
Thank you so much for your question, sir. And my answer goes like this. If I am given 3 minutes to talk in the parliament about the current situation of my country, my answer will be, dear all, what is happening to our country? First of all, let's start with all the rape cases and women violence that's increasing rapidly in our country. Let's make our investigation very tight and come up with the possible solution to minimize it. And of course, the road situation and the traffic problem, because it takes more than the estimated time to reach your destination. And also, I would talk about the youngsters going abroad for study and look for solution, as it has been affecting country's development, because youths are the future of the nation. So let's come up with a possible solution in tomorrow's meeting, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question, sir. I am Poonam Sherpa, contestant number 3, and my answer goes like this. There are so many things to be talked about in order to make our country prosperous and developed in many sectors. However, if I am given 3 minutes to say something, then I would definitely talk about the political condition of Nepal. Because if the government itself is not strong, then the country cannot be developed. I want a few years back, Africa and Nepal were in the same situation in terms of economy. But if we look now, Nepal is much more developed in every sector. So I would like to talk about the rules and regulations of the country, which I feel it is still not that strong compared to another developed countries. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am contestant number 2, Jangmu Sherpa. And thank you so much, sir, for your lovely questions. And my answer goes in this way. Standing among the political party leaders, I would request them to work seriously and sincerely for the political stability and good governance, as it is very important for every positive change and the development. Tell them to emphasize on quality educations that would generate opportunity and make the youth globally competitive, enrich tourism industry, empower agriculture sector with modern technology, and serious action against human violence. Finally, inspire them to unite, because unity is strength, and with it we can make a change. Thank you.
all the final answers right there done by our ladies, and who is going to get that award right there will be on presentations right now. Thank you so much, ladies.
We're just one step ahead. हामी मात्र एक कदम आई थिङ्क पछाडि छौँ. अबको केही समयमा नै अब हामी मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018लाई पाउनेछौँ. त्योभन्दा अगाडि तपाईँको लागि एउटा डान्स रहेको छ, डेफिनेटली विथ एन एक्ट. र यहाँ यो डान्स विथ एक्ट पर्फर्म गर्नको लागि हामी माझ आउनुभएको छ. उहाँ कमेडियन पनि हुनुहुन्छ, सँगसँगै उहाँ एकदमै राम्रो जादुगर पनि हुनुहुन्छ. सो कमेडियन एन्ड जादुगर हुनुहुन्छ राजेन्द्र गिरी. उहाँलाई तालीले स्वागत गरौँ.
रूपा की रानी उन्हीं माया की खानी, सुंदर बिहानी उन्हीं आँखा की नानी. ओ रूपा की रानी उन्हीं माया की खानी, सुंदर बिहानी उन्हीं आँखा की नानी. यो फूल को तकुरे छोड़ो, जुनको निकुरे छोड़ो. यो फूल को तकुरे छोड़ो, जुनको निकुरे छोड़ो. मेरी माया था यस्तो शर्माउँछिन्, मेरी माया था यस्तो मुस्काउँछिन्. उनको तकुरे छोड़ो, हे उनको तकुरे छोड़ो. तकुरे छोड़ो, जुनको निकुरे छोड़ो. यो मनको चाह यस्तो छ, देखूं हर पल भेटिरहूं. यो अङ्गालो भित्र सधैँ लाग्छ समेटिरहूं. यो मनको जहाँ यस्तो छ, देखूं हर पल भेटिरहूं. यो अङ्गालो भित्र सधैँ समेटिरहूं. आँखा भित्र राखे नबिझाउने छिन्, निन्द्रै लाग्दैन नदेखेको दिन. आँखा भित्र राखे नबिझाउने छिन्, निन्द्रै लाग्दैन नदेखेको दिन. यो फुलको तकुरै छोडौ, जुनको निकुरे छोडौ. मुटुमा लुकाएको छु, कसैले नदेख्ने गरी. कोही छैन तुलनामा सारा यो सृष्टि भरि. मुटुमा लुकाएको छु, कसैले नदेख्ने गरी. कोही छैन तुलनामा सारा यो सृष्टि भरि. कलेजी मै टाँस्न सुहाउने छिन्, यस्तो शर्माउँछिन् मेरी माया त यस्तो मुस्काउँछिन् उनको त कुरै छोडौ हे उनको त कुरै छोडौ यो फुलको त कुरै छोडौ यो जुनको नि कुरै छोडौ
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to move on for the final session of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018.
अब हामी सबटाइटल सेरेमनीमा लाग्नुभन्दा अगाडि सबै प्रतियोगीहरूलाई मायाको चिनो र खादा लगाई सम्मान प्रदान गरिदिनु हुन कार्यक्रमका सभापति रिता राई दाहालज्यू र इभेन्ट डिरेक्टर अशोक प्यासी राईज्यूलाई अनुरोध गर्दछौँ।
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on for the subtitle awards of the event. सबभन्दा पहिला मिस फोटोजेनिक र मिस फोटोजेनिकका अवार्ड विजेतालाई सम्मान गरिदिनका लागि जेनेसिस एकाडेमीका फाउन्डर डाइरेक्टर रुस थोकरजीलाई स्टेजमा निम्ताउन चाहन्छौँ। Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Photogenic for the event is contestant number 12, Raksha Singh.
मिस मङ्गोल नेपाल 2018 को नेक्स्ट सबटाइटल रहेको छ मिस लिडरशिप र मिस लिडरशिप सबटाइटल प्रदान गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म हाम्रो निर्णायकज्यू चलचित्र निर्देशक उदय सुब्बाजीलाई स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु। टाइटल मिस लिडरशिप गोज टु कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 2 जाङमु शेर्पा।
Moving on for the next award. This is called Miss Personality र अवार्ड प्रदान गरिदिनका लागि संयुक्त रूपमा स्टेजमा निम्ताउन चाहन्छौँ मिसुमी कस्मेटिकका प्रबन्ध निर्देशक सेली थापाज्यू र यस कार्यक्रमका निर्णायक मेनुका राईज्यूलाई र यस विधामा विजेता हुनुहुन्छ कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 18 सुमी थापा।
अब पालो रहेको छ मिस बेस्ट हेयरको र मिस बेस्ट हेयरको टाइटल प्रदान गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म हाम्रो निर्णायक शान्तिराम राईज्यू त्यस्तै गरेर समाजसेवी आशा राई नेमाङज्यूलाई स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु। And the title goes to contestant number 11 Irosa Thapamagar.
Ladies and gentlemen, proceeding for next award. This is Miss Baskin र award प्रदान गरिदिनका लागि संयुक्त रूपमा निर्णायकद्वय पुपु तेन्जिङ शेर्पाज्यू र डाक्टर एनिस्ता गुरुङलाई निम्ताउन चाहन्छु स्टेजमा। र मिस बेस्किन अवार्ड विजेता हुनुहुन्छ कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 14 प्रियङ्का राई।
भएको छ मिस पब्लिक चोइसको र मिस पब्लिक चोइस अवार्ड प्रदान गरिदिनु हुनको लागि म स्टेजमा समाजसेवी भवानी नेमवाङ त्यसै गरेर हाम्रो निर्णायक शिवहरि अधिकारी ज्यूलाई अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि। And this title goes to contestant number 7 Samiksha Rai.
Ladies and gentlemen, time to reveal the winner for Miss Talent Award. Award प्रदान गरिदिनका लागि निर्णायक पूर्ण लामाज्यूलाई स्टेजमा निम्त्याउन चाहन्छु र यस विधाका विजेता हुनुहुन्छ कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 16 अस्मिता बज्राचार्य। अब लाग्दैछौँ हामी मिस बङ्गाल नेपाल 2018 को टप 3 अवार्ड्स तर्फ। सेकेन्ड रनर अप, फर्स्ट रनर्स अप र विजेता। सेकेन्ड तथा फर्स्ट रनर अप हुने कन्टेस्टेन्ट्सहरूले प्राप्त गर्नेछन् अर्गनाइजिङ टिमको तर्फबाट 5 days 4 nights को थाइल्यान्डको हलिडे प्याकेजमा 50% डिस्काउन्टेड अफर र क्राउन, टाइटल ट्रफी र जिम्मेवारी पनि।
Yes, it's finally time to reveal the name of second runner-up of Miss Bengal Nepal 2018. Miss Bengal Nepal 2018 को second runner-up को नाम रिभिल गर्ने बेला भइसकेको छ र यो नाम रिभिल गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि म स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि थापा बसन्त जो प्रबन्ध निर्देशक हुनुहुन्छ मिसुमी कस्मेटिकको उहाँलाई स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु। त्यस्तै गरेर हाम्रो गत वर्षको सेकेन्ड रनर अप हुनुहुन्छ मिस बङ्गाल नेपाल 2017 को श्वेता थापाजी। उहाँ अहिले आउट अफ कन्ट्री हुनुहुन्छ, त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि उहाँलाई रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्दै उहाँको मम्मी कला थापाजी हामी माझ हुनुहुन्छ र कला थापाजीलाई म स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्दछु।
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bengal Nepal 2018 second runners up is contestant number 3 Poonam Sherpa.
फर्स्ट रनर अप अफ मिस बङ्गाल नेपाल 2018 हजुर हामी फर्स्ट रनर अप को नाम रिभिल गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि म स्टेजमा निम्त्याउन चाहन्छु खुशी मगरज्यूलाई जो फर्स्ट रनर अप विजेता हुनुहुन्छ मिस बङ्गाल नेपाल 2017 को। त्यस्तै गरेर डाक्टर एनिस्ता गुरुङलाई पनि म स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुनको लागि अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु। उहाँ पूर्व मिस बङ्गाल नेपाल हुनुहुन्छ।
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the first runners-up for Miss Bengal Nepal 2018, the winner in the category is contestant number 1, Preeti Gurung. And to honor the contestant and to crown the winner of this season, may we invite the winner of last year's edition, Anita Lama, on stage. Likewise, may we also request all the respected panel of jury members on stage to witness the crowning moment of this season. And of course, we also heartily request the chairperson of the event to be on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the final moment of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. The lady who is going to take away the responsibility, pride and prize of being Miss Mongol Nepal 2018.
कार्यक्रमका सभापति रीता राई दाहाललाई आयोजकको तर्फबाट मायाको चिनो प्रदान गरिदिनु हुन मिस मङ्गोल नेपालका इभेन्ट डाइरेक्टर अशोक प्यासी राईज्यूलाई अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। Before the crowning ceremony, I would like to request Miss Mongol Nepal 2017 Anita Lama to give her farewell speech.
Namaste and good evening everyone. It's quite overwhelming for me to return back to the place where my journey began.
A journey of a shy girl to a confident title holder. A journey of someone who even couldn't love herself to the one who now strongly believes in loving herself and spreading love. Today, though we all are from different communities, we all are gathered here together for a common purpose. And it is quite wonderful for all of us to witness and to be part of such an event which symbolizes unity in diversity. To all the beautiful and talented contestants, I would just like to say that to be able to be in this stage and to present yourself with such a grace and to have your family, friends right over there in the audience is itself a winning moment. But this is a competition after all, and the one will stand out. The one who is passionate, the one who has been hardworking, and the one who is determined to make a difference not only for her, but for the others too, is gonna win and take this title, Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. This is not only from me, but Khushidi and Soitadi too that, yes, this is the end of our reign as the title holder, but definitely a beautiful beginning of our future where we will always try to put our best. There are lots of people that I want to thank, my family, my friends, my school, Binod Dai, Soitadi, and all the people who was there with me in my ups and downs. Thank you. And to the winners, I just want to say that once you are crowned, you will always be known as Miss Mongol. So be patient and enjoy every moment this crown has to give you. So that's all. I love you all and thank you.
Likewise, may we also request all the respected panel of jury members on stage to witness the crowning moment of this season. And of course, we also heartily request the chairperson of the event to be on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 decade of Miss Mongol Nepal is now to come in with a pride, success and victory for the winner of this competition. And the winner of the competition is going to take away the pride of being Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. And she is going to win 5 days, 4 nights, 100% package in Thailand to enjoy her tour. And of course, the title crown, title trophy and the responsibility of being Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, the final moment of Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. The lady who is going to take away the responsibility, pride and prize of being Miss Mongol Nepal 2018. The lady is contestant number 2, Jangmu Sherpa. All cheers and congratulations Zhang Sherpa, Preeti Gurung, Poonam Sherpa.